Welcome to my video about the Godox SL60W 95 centimeter speedbox. Okay, if you want to purchase this, the link is in the description. Today we're going to give you a video of the SL60W. We're going to start at 10% light, pump it all the way to 50, give you a freeze frame. Then we'll do the same thing at 100% freeze frame, and I'll show you 50 and 100% side by side. Cool little story about the Godox SL60W. Well, it is powerful enough to replace a ring light, two normal lights you get off Amazon, and fluorescent lights. We'll jump right into it, the unboxing of the SL60W, and as always, link in description.